Thank you, Mr. Mazan. To all my fellow classmates, friends, teachers, and guests, good morning. My task today is to entertain you. But how? Do I have to dance, sing, or eat fire for you? I guess not. For me, entertainment is relative. For example, in movies, girls love stories, while men like me are entertained by action movies. So with a simple example, how do I entertain a crowd that is consisting with different personalities and interests? Well, why not I talk to you about something common among us? Not just among us students, but also to you, your beloved teachers and guests. That is studying. Though our teachers are already professionals, still they continue to study their lessons. They don't stop from doing it. I think most of us here believe that studying is the most effective sleeping pill. Am I right? We can go on Facebook till 2 a.m., watch movies all day, or even play data until our eyes hurts. But when we study, after 1 hour, 45 minutes, 5 minutes, we slack. Most of the time, parents scold us. Why are we sleeping when we have exams the next day? Well, there is a scientific explanation about it. Scientifically, most of the people have relaxed pulse while reading. This prevents physical activation. This results in stagnation of lactic acids in the cell, which is an incomplete combustion of product. Our brain gets tired, therefore we feel sleepy while reading. Well, we all know that studying hard is key to success. Studying is a major part in your life, and it's often a source of anxiety for students. This can be alleviated in some way by planning and managing the study periods effectively, and taking the time to plan and prepare. That's why we need to study. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe entertainment is not just laughing out loud, but it is also to be a good food for the brain. It should about be knowledge. I may not have made you laugh in tears, but I believe I have fed you more than what you expected. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it surprising?
Isn't it?
Good day and God bless.